Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily download DeepSeek AI on your mobile phone. By following the few simple steps that I show you now, you'll be able to download DeepSeek AI on your mobile phone very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the Google Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user then you can go to your App Store, and in the search bar search for DeepSeek AI and tap on the applications which says DeepSeek AI Assistant and which has a logo of this blue and white color. And here you just have to tap on install. And after installing DeepSeek AI Assistant, you'll be able to download this application onto your mobile. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.